All right, global traders, this is a video for you. So if you are an international trader and you want to get involved, get access to the USA market so that you can day trade them and try to make some money online, then if you follow this step-by-step process that I walk you through here, you will be putting yourself in a position to do exactly that. So let's get into it with step number one, which is all about making sure you don't waste your time. So you have a couple of choices here, but we need to make sure that whatever country you're in, your country allows access to these sites. So choice number one, PayPal. So if you're in another country outside of the USA and you already have a PayPal account, fantastic. Or if they allow you to sign up for a PayPal account, fantastic. If not, then the other choice you could use in order to gain access is right here, wise.com. So same as PayPal. If you already have a Wise account, fantastic. If you're in another country, but they'll let you sign up for a Wise account, fantastic. This is step number one, though, because if you do not have access to either of these, then unfortunately, what I talk about in the following steps is just not going to pertain to you. Step number two is you need to learn about the futures trading market. Now, before you go, wait, what? This is a totally free 4-part series, and here are some beautiful things about the futures market. First off, it's giving you the opportunity to gain access to the USA markets. There is no pattern day trading rule, so you can start off and trade as much as you want with a very, very minimal amount, as you'll see as we go through the rest of this process here. And also international, yeah, you're in different time zones, but the futures trading market is essentially open 6 days a week, 24 hours a day. Now, not exactly, but close enough for me to just be able to say, no matter what country you're in and what time zone, there's going to be opportunities for you to potentially take advantage of tradable opportunities within the futures market. But first, you got to learn about it. So this only works with the futures market. So start off with this free 4-part series. I'll put a link down below in the description box. Step number three here, get signed up with Take Profit Trader, which is a prop firm for futures. Now, I'm not going to go too deep down the rabbit hole of prop firms, but the way it works is this: you put up a very minimal amount of your money up front, you prove yourself as a trader, and then you have a whole lot of upside. But again, as far as this video is concerned, this prop firm will allow you to gain access to the USA markets, the futures market in particular, even if you're outside of the USA. So sign up for this prop firm, go to the link down below. It'll explain how they work and all of that. But at the core, this is what's, the pillar here of allowing you to gain access to those USA markets. But be sure you use the link down below because the prop firm is always running deals and promotions. So by using that link, that'll ensure you get the best current deal, whether you're watching this video right after I release it or several months from now. And then just to walk you through how it works. So here's from their knowledge-based system. And right down here, you can see for international payouts, we provide two options, PayPal or Wise. So hopefully now you see why step one was what it is, but they just explain what they each are here. And then this is the important part. Note, only trading and affiliate profits will be paid out by one of the methods described above. So again, going back to step one, that's why I wanted to start there, because this all would have been a total waste of your time if you don't have access to either PayPal or Wise. But this does lead to the more than valid question. Okay, but do you actually know anybody that's actually been an international trader and this has all worked? Which is a very good question on your part. And yeah, I have. There is a community of members that it's at claytrader.com that you're welcome to join. And we have many members around the world. And in fact, the person that recommended this prop firm to me is from Canada. And here's an experience that they shared with me. So this person says, and yes, their payouts, affiliates, and from trading is super fast. Always a good thing with these prop firms. Is it going to take forever? Do they try to kind of slow play things? And I can also say, as somebody, now granted, I'm kind of apples and oranges because I'm in the USA. But what I can say is I have had the same exact experience with this person. Payouts are very, very fast, very impressively fast, actually. So this person says, I have a USD account set up at wise.com. So this person, this Canadian, is using wise.com. But as a reminder, you could use PayPal too. But they have one set up at wise.com. And he goes on to say, so I get payouts sent there. So you get the payout from Take Profit Trader into, in this situation, wise.com. Then I have to transfer from there to my Canadian bank. But even with all that, I get my money about 2 days after requesting it, which from an international standpoint, in my mind, that's impressive. That is very, very quick. But all in all, this is a Canadian person outside of the USA, but they have that wise.com. They've signed up for Take Profit Trader, and they are trading the USA markets via the futures market, and they've done very well with it. So again, go check out Take Profit Trader, link down below that'll walk you through how it works. It'll give you a step-by-step process, and it'll walk you through all the different choices that you have, show comparisons, and then just give you everything that you really need to know in order to make the decision. But remember, start with step one, make sure those other choices are available to you in terms of wise.com or PayPal. So I hope this video has helped, and if you have any other questions down in the comment section, definitely let me know. But also, if you want to learn more about how I approach the markets, how to build strategy, how to build consistency and manage risk, then go to claytrader.com/live, and I'll also put a link down in the description box, and you can figure out when the next live webinar is. But yes, it's a live webinar. There's a live question and answer session, so by all means, bring your questions, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. But this is definitely something that I would encourage everybody to use so that you show up with the right expectations, make sure you have the right understanding of how to use the tools that I and many other traders use in order to generate profits in the market. So again, go to claytrader.com/live or just check the link down below. So I hope this helps. Like I said, if there are any other questions, let me know. And if you are in a country where they don't have either of them, yeah, I'm sorry, but I know that PayPal and Wise.com are open to a whole lot of countries. So I really do think that this will open up as many opportunities to you global and international traders as possible. So again, make sure you use the link to the prop firm so that you can take advantage of the best deals possible and go out there and get access to the USA markets.